or contact a member of the ground staff of Sri Lankan Airlines. Once again, we sincerely apologize for the delay. We thank you for your patience and understanding. It has been a pleasure having you with us, and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you for flying Sri Lankan Airlines, a member of the One World Alliance. Ayubowan.